Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for a Wish account. In order to sign up for a Wish account, first of all make sure that you've downloaded the Wish application on your preferred device and tap it open. Doing so will take you to the homepage of Wish. Simply go to the top right corner and tap on Sign In and then enter an email address or a phone number you'd like to sign up with. You can also use the Continue with Facebook or Continue with Google option to sign up using your existing Google or Facebook account. In this video, I'm gonna just type in an email address to sign up. Now once you enter your email, tap Continue. On the next page, type in a phone number or email, type in your name on the next field, and create a password for your Wish account. Finally, tap on Verify your email. On the next page, you will need to enter the verification code sent to you via the email that you just provided. Once you do that, you will then be able to create a new account for Wish. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.